In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows taskbar volume control not working. So right here in the taskbar, if you want to get into the volume control directly and this is not working, so let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Then you have to click on system on the left pane. Scroll down and you have to click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. So here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it. So run the audio troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. It will fix the issue for you. Just have to follow the suggestions and recommendations. Now once done, you need to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is open, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Locate your speaker. Right click, select update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Next method, right click at the start button, select task manager. Maximize the task manager. And here you'll find the Windows Explorer. All you have to do is right click and then select restart. So restart the Windows Explorer. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Then scroll down to the Windows audio service in the W section. Here it is. Right click, select properties. Startup type, it should be automatic. Click on start, apply, and then OK. And click on the restart button on the After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.